Okay, what do we have today?
If connectors could talk, the L and N connector series from Smith's Interconnect might want to go back in time to tell a designer, I'm your density. Just like that. And that's because the L and N series are high density, modular and mini modular rack and panel connectors for applications that require durability, ruggedization, and extended operating life. The modular building block system, with a wide variety of signal, power, coax, fiber optic, and pneumatic contact modules, allows designers to build connectors to their exact requirements using off-the-shelf components, and the HyperTac contact technology delivers high cycle count, low mating forces, and excellent immunity to shock and vibration. L-series connectors are available with contacts rated for up to 200 amps and in configurations that comply with EN 45545 standards. N-series connectors provide up to 25 amps and up to 900 contact positions. Both series include a variety of frames for further versatility, with different mounting styles, backshell options, cable clamps, and more.